Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in this video I want to show you how you can remove background from a video. Hope you get what I'm trying to say. So let us dive straight into it. So the first thing you're going to do is to click bring down the video that you want to remove the background from. So you click on plus icon here to get it on the timeline. So after that, what you do next, you click on the video. So you go over here to the right hand side at the top here. So you click on remove BNG. So click on auto remover. So I think in some minutes, so you just have to wait till this countdown is completed, is on 100%. Hope you get what I'm trying to say. So in a few moments now it will be done. Hope you can see this auto cutout is completed. So after that, you can do whatever you want to do with the video that you just removed the background from. So the next thing you're going to do, if you want to add a new background, all you have to do now is just to bring the background over to the timeline. Hope you get what I'm trying to say. You can do that by pressing the plus icon. So after that, you just drag this video up here. So the that new background will come under the video that you just removed the background from. Hope you can see that the new background has just been inserted. Hope you get what I'm trying to say. So auto cutout is completed, guys. So this is the simple way in which you can remove your background and add a new background to your videos. Hope you get what I'm trying to say. So let me know what you think about this. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this on CapCut. So I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye for now.